Different चीज़ें इसमें कोई I don't think there's one single measure which has helped us in doing this. The reality is कि overall जो global commodity prices और जिस commodity super cycle में हम थे वो जब ख़त्म हुआ है तो that has certainly helped us on जो administrative measures यहाँ लिए गए हैं that has helped us because देखिए हमारे मुल्क में imported inflation का भी बड़ा impact है। तो अगर खुदा ना खास्ता हमारी करेंसी जिस डायरेक्शन में कहा जा रहा था पिछले साल सितंबर अक्टूबर में, खुदा ना खास्ता अगर ये उसी डायरेक्शन और सिमत में चलती रहती तो आज हम ये 12% की बात ना कर रहे होते। तो आई थिंक कि ये जो आपने बात की है उसकी सस्टेनेबिलिटी की वो वी आर क्वाइट क्लियर कि विल स्टार्ट कंटिन्यू टू मूव इन द डायरेक्शन। इसमें वक्त लगेगा लेकिन ये तो मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी का अपना एक व्यू है कि बाय जुलाई ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर विच मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्ली 25-26 के विल कम डाउन टू 5 to 7% और इसमें both the monetary policy and the fiscal policy will have to come together to make sure कि हमारी ट्रैजेक्टरी जो है ये मेंटेन रहे। तीसरे सवाल का जवाब तो मैं आपको बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगा, तो वो तो बड़ा क्लियर है, वो कल आपको थोड़ा सा तकलीफ़ करनी पड़ेगी, सुनना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद उसको आपका जो है वो जवाब आपको उसका मिलेगा। जो कल NEC के डिसीजन हैं जी उसमें आपकी बात दुरुस्त है, कुछ जो NEC के डिसीजंस हुए हैं वो हमने रिवर्स किए हैं। जो केयर टेकर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उन्होंने कोई डिसीजंस लिए which the elected government and the elected provincial governments have every right to revisit some of those decisions and that's what happened। पहला सवाल क्या था जी?
डॉलर का रिजर्व्स का जो
डॉलर का रिजर्व्स उसमें शहबाज राणा साहब मैं आपको सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि इसीलिए मैंने क्वालिटी की बात की है। मैं एग्जैक्ट नंबर तो आप गवर्नर साहब से बात कीजिए बिकॉज इट्स वेरी मच हिज डोमेन बट ए सिग्निफिकेंट amount has come from open market operations. I think the easiest way to describe it is the way we have managed 23-24 is going to be more or less the same pattern that we see in 24-25. So we will see rollovers and number one. Number two, I do see some of the commercial bank borrowing coming back in. Although हमारा सारा the whole emphasis is looking at this fiscal year, but since you are looking forward, when we went through a delayed program in the last fiscal year, some of the appetite disappeared, especially from the Middle Eastern commercial banks, and you might be well aware that at the peak they used to have $2 to $2.5 billion of these were not long-term financings, these were short-term trade finance supporting the balance of payment, and those went down to zero because we had to repay, right? Because delayed program, on the basis of that our ratings went down, sovereign ratings went down, and therefore they withdrew this support. So first of all, on the external finance side, we are entering the year on a much stronger note than where we were at the beginning of last year. The second thing is we will follow almost the same pattern in terms of our repayment schedule, and therefore I'm very confident that the repayment is not going to be a big issue for next fiscal year. And the third thing is I do see some of the commercial bank borrowing coming back in. उसका मैं आपको estimate नहीं दे सकता. I've had the first set of meetings with these banks in Dubai on my way back from Washington DC. We are engaged with the rating agencies. मेरा अपना अंदाज़ा ये है कि they will wait for the EFF to be in place before they start looking at जो अभी अली ने भी बात की है, बहुत important बात है कि why are we looking at the EFF and with a larger and a longer program with the fund, because we want permanence in that macroeconomic stability, और जब तक वो नहीं आएगी हमारी rating agencies will not move. But the third thing is जो अभी चाइना में भी बात हुई है कि we are very keen to go for an inaugural panda bond, So even before we go back into the euro or the Reg S 144A market, we are very keen to at least go for inaugural Panda bond during next fiscal year and hopefully during this calendar year. और उसको फिर हम टैप पे रख सकें ताकि जितना भी amount हो, at least we have a diversified funding base. So on the external finance side, inshallah, once the fund program is in place, I don't see that as a big challenge.